So you've got yourself the GoPro Hero 13 Black and you're wanting to remove or replace the lens. Maybe you want to try out one of those ultra wide lens mods or the macro lens mod or put a ND filter on there. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace this lens here on the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Let's go ahead and show you how. So let's go ahead and remove the lens here on the GoPro. Now I do want to show you where the lens separates from the GoPro. It's this larger gap right here. So this is the portion that we're going to be removing right there. Now I should mention also that the first few times you do this, the lens can be extremely tight. So it's good to give it a little bit of a wiggle when you do this the first time, maybe pull on it a little bit. There is a rubber seal behind there keeping it watertight that kind of holds it in place. Now the way to remove this, we're gonna hold the body of the GoPro and we're gonna rotate the lens about 45 degrees counterclockwise. So again, hold on tight and give it a turn to about there or so. And then we're gonna have to go ahead and give it a little bit of a wiggle, get it off, just like that, and it will remove the lens. So let me show you how this lens is held onto the GoPro. You can see there's a couple bars there, and when you rotate it on here, those bars slide under these lips here on the GoPro. So let's go ahead and put this right back on. You can see there's that blue notch here on the lens, and there's a blue circle over here. We're gonna go ahead and line those up. Again, the lens is about 45 degrees or so. And once you've got it in the right spot, you can feel it kind of push in there. We wanna give it a good push and hold it in, and then rotate it back the 45 degrees, and it pops right back into place. So really quite simple to do. Again, now it's a little bit looser that we've done it and it's easier to take off. So I hope this video helped you out in removing and replacing your lens here on the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.